Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the gardening challenge from the winter frost season in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, we have the gardening challenge and we need to purchase 10 white radish seed at Blank's gardening store and harvest 10 white radishes. And if you want to start the challenge, you can go to blank and you need to take the field snow planting. I've already taken the quest right here, field snow planting, and you will be able to buy the radish seed from blank. Okay, I'm going to purchase and we need to plant the radish in our garden. Oops, wait. I'm going to go back to this quest. Okay, I've already claimed. I can claim the coins, and now it's time to plant the radish. Okay, I'm going to plant my radish here, and we need to plant 10 radish. But I don't have enough plot, so I need to buy it first, guys. And after it's ready to harvest, you can harvest it and make sure that you harvest 10 radishes. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the gardening challenge from the winter frost season in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!